Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to save battery life on the Vivo Y200. Now, first of all, just open the control center on your smartphone and disable any unnecessary connections. Like if you're not using the Bluetooth, just disable Bluetooth. And if you're not using the location services, just disable the location services, just like that. And also, if you see any other connection, like if you're not using the hotspot, just disable the hotspot, and any other connection which you're not currently using, just disable all of them. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, just enable auto brightness. Now once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically adjust the brightness of the screen based on your surroundings. Now from here, just scroll down and enable dark mode. Now once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on screen refresh rate. Now from here, instead of 120 Hz, just select 60 or Smart Switch. Now if you select Smart Switch, it will adjust the refresh rate automatically based on your usage. And if you select 60, it will fix the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz to save your battery life. Now from here, once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just tap on home screen, lock screen, and wallpaper. Now from here, just tap on always on display. Now from here, just disable always on display. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on battery. Now from here, just enable battery saver. Now from here, just tap on turn on, just like that. And this is how you can save the battery life on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.